What's up, guys? It's Thursday night. It's like 8:30 right now. I'm gonna start working on the car a little bit. Currently I am working on the transcooler. I got it all plumbed up. So this transcooler is pretty neat. It actually has a thermostat in here that will trigger the fan to turn on. So this little blue thing, which is a plug, goes to here. This goes to ground, and then you take this one right here, and you put that to a key on source, and then it will turn on when it gets to a certain temperature. I think it's like 180 degrees that it'll turn the fan on. So I started on that. I'm gonna put it actually like right here. Don't mind that has to come off. And then I have some aluminum flat stock here that I'm going to cut, and because it will bolt here and then there's no other part, so I'm gonna put the bolts on the other ends and go here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But yeah, stay tuned. All right, so I got it mounted. I mean, it took not long at all. I just used these two holes. I had two bolts. I had to drill another one, so I marked it. So basically it sits right here, and see, I mean, it's flimsy. So I mean, that thing would be, I mean, look at that. That's crazy. So what I'm gonna do with this flat stock, I'm gonna cut it down. I'm gonna leave, I might bend this a little bit, and I'm gonna cut it down. I'm gonna bolt right here and then run it to that frame rail and just use a self tapper right now. I ordered a nut cert tool, so I'm going to drill the hole out, put a nut cert in it. That way it has a bolt that can go in and out instead of a self tapper. It'll look a lot cleaner, but the self tapper would just be temporary until I get the tool. And then this is the line from the trans right here. I'm probably going to rerun that a little bit. It goes kind of close to the engine, so I might run it on the outside. You really can't see, and I don't have a flashlight, but I'll show a better picture later. There's really not much space to run it, but I should get it to work. It's also comes pretty close to the exhaust, so I have to clear it. Right now, I'm gonna finish getting that all hooked up, and then we'll see where that goes. What's up, guys? So I just got the transcooler pretty much installed. I'm just missing one fitting, which is this one. They only come with 3 6-AN barbs. So I gotta go to the hardware store tomorrow. I'm gonna take this off and then figure out what size I need to put it in there, and then I'm gonna just gotta try and do like a 90 off it, because I kind of cut it. I guess I could go a 90 in. But yeah, it's pretty much done. I got this there, and then I got the bracket right here. Don't mind that bracket, that's a piece of crap, but it's grounded right here, so it should be good. Transcooler lines are ran through there. Let's see, I have my phone. Let me take you under the car real quick. They come out of the trans, come down. The exhaust is gonna be wrapped right here also. I'm still gonna try and get this as far away as possible. They come near here. I mean, that's probably, I don't know, an inch or so. It's not gonna be wrapped right there, so that's what I'm kind of worried about, but it runs through there. It runs, looks pretty good, should work. So yeah, should be fine. I mean, if I really wanted to like run it, I have no doubt in my mind after I get that fitting that it will be sealed and everything like that. These are the new fuel rails right here. They're 4 rails. This was the old crossover I had. I bought it pre-made. Well, I bought the kit from a guy before, and he had it made that way. I don't like it. I don't know why there's not 90s on it. So I'm gonna have to remake that. So hopefully I can get more hose soon. I'm trying to watch my spending. I've bought a lot of stuff in the last month, especially with the car. And I try to run on a budget, and so far I'm not doing so hot. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the videos and the builds. Especially there will be a lot coming. I try and work on the car as often as possible. Some days I get off work. I work 12 hours a day when I do work, and I do not want to come home to work on my car after working. So on my days off, I try to bust ass and get this thing moving. So yeah, like I said before, make sure you like, subscribe if you want to stay up to date, and thank you for watching.